kinging it. Rule your own world.
On the Mongol Rally!
So the journey through Tajikistan continues. Of course, in true Mongol Rally style, one of us has broken down.
Yeah, fella, your shoes. You gonna catch it? Oh! Going for a dip, are you?
That's fresh, that water.
Is it cold? Look how blue it is, though. That's incredible. Oh, well, the bits we're coming past, they've got snow on them. How mad is that, though? It's a boiling day.
Mate, that's like, feels about 3 degrees.
Go and wash your bits then. So apparently this is a coil, and the boys' coil to be precise, into. So what are we gonna do? I don't even know what that is. What does that mean? What's that? The bounce?
Yeah, bounce.
Broken bounce.
Broken bounce. Bounce no more.
Oh, no one's messing with us with this.
You can't.
It's going to be tricky.
Quick, just run! I've only managed to fit their second spring. Yes, their spring on. Doing a sterling job there, boys. If it was our car, it'd be a Pringles tub. Jess, you going for a yeah? Tyrannosaurus Rex lives on.
Just.
Back on the road just like that, baby! Where are we going?
None of your damn business. Oh.
Let's get a
Girl
bit,
power!
let's get a bit wild by here. Everyone's. Yeah. Oh, tell you what.
You touch him, get coffee!
I think we need some sleep. Because of how high we were, the drone started flipping out. So we were like, let's bring her in case she crashes.
So we pulled over on the side of the road and whoa! I think we started about 3,500 meters high and everyone's feeling okay, you know, we're only like 1,000 meters until the top. I've been piling myself full of altitude sickness tablets, so I should be fine anyway. But when we were passing, I was looking down on the river and I saw like I'm not sure how to describe it, but it was like a gopher but bigger, and he had like the fur of a fox and he was just sat on his back legs. I was like, oh my god, like I'd never seen it before. So if you can tell me what one of those is, I'll be forever grateful. I love seeing new animals. I think the altitude's getting to these pair.
Okay, we're at about 4,100 meters and Veranda's overheating, so we're just giving her a minute to cool off.
It looks like we're on top of the world, Craig.
It's pretty high up here, isn't it?
Yeah.
We got our Afghani driver, don't worry about it.
Should we go
Christoph
skiing?
Anagaru driving.
Christoph?
She's cooling off. It's mad up here. All that dancing and felt quite sick straight away.
Oh, good idea.
It's not a great idea. We had a good time though. Didn't we, Berg? Hey?
What's that?
We had a good time though, didn't we?
When?
Oh, don't worry about it.
So we actually had to get out and physically push Veranda Babes up the mountain.
That was hard work, man. Trying to push a car on that altitude.
So quick, isn't it?
Die. We're hoping that this is the bridge of the mountain, because if it's not, it's going to be a long couple of hours. But the boys have gone. They've gotten over already. Yeah. So the air is quite thin up here. Oh, this is the state of the road at the top of this highway. They're a bloody mess. Captain Webb putting in a solid shift today.
Whoa!
I think Will's driven the third of this trip.
Probably not. I have a third in the garage, like, no big deal.
Loves it.
No fucking
That's why your car's broke so much.
He's learning though, isn't he?
I am learning.
Change the tyre now.
Okay, so we're going to try the drone again. Craig's going to calibrate it again. So if it works, you should see beautiful drone footage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
up the cows blocking the roads. Mongol Rally, baby. Boys are broken down again. What's happened, lads?
Oh, our battery came off in order to slow forward.
Oh shit.
Mate, it's not our day today.
It's not your day, is it? You gotta have them though, you gotta have the troughs.
Yeah, exactly.
On the plus side, look at the sky and the moon.
I know, mate.
Bloody beautiful.
Hey, so you're happy to push on?
Are you?
Yeah, more than happy.
Let's do it then.
Yeah.
Let's just fucking get there.
You take the lead with your big lights.
Yeah, okay, mate.
Rule number 1 on the rally is don't drive at night. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got about 60 miles left of the town we want to sleep at because we're way too high to sleep. Apparently Will reckons if you sleep at 3,800 meters, we're gonna all get really sick and get headaches. So it's gonna take about 2 hours, and there's a hotel there because we all need a wash. It's been a few days. Wet wipe my face, and this is what we're working with. Look at all that dirt. Look who we found! It's the bus! They've made it to the middle of nowhere. Yo!
Good to see you, man. How are you?
Like picked up basically by one bloke in plain clothes who we think now is secret intelligence, and then 3 like pretty high-ranking like Iranian police dudes.
One of them had a very big AK-47.
So let me just stop you there. These boys have got an absolutely mental story of how they got arrested in Iran for flying a drone. It is the funniest story ever, but they did make it out alive.
We took the drone to the border, we're like, we're so sorry, here's the drone, we kicked it to pieces in front of them, and then they let us out of their country.
Oh my
Very
god.
nice.
Oh.
You sure you guys don't want to stay here tonight? How much further are you going?
Bye guys.
So we drove for like another hour or two. These really are the hardest times of the rally when we have to get somewhere. And we all started to feel the altitude sickness creeping in.
Morning! We've woken up on a mountain in... Where are we?
I'm not sure. Tajikistan somewhere. Last night wasn't that great. I started feeling it as soon as we pulled up to the hotel.
Feeling what?
Feeling altitude sickness. I was like, Ollie, will you get me a bucket? And luckily he found me one, but I wasn't sick. I'm feeling a bit better this morning, maybe because I know we're moving on. So yeah, we're just gonna have a shower this morning. And we paid $10 for our room, which was definitely more than we should have paid.
So we're about... The reason we're feeling a bit sketchy is we're like 3,800 meters, which is really high. It's beautiful up here though. So the ladies prepared the shower for us, and this is what we're working with. Come through here. And it's like a sauna in this room.
Best shower I've ever had.
Not too shabby, is it?
No, I really like it actually, because it's so cold outside and then you come in, it's like a little sauna, isn't it?
You've got hot water buckets here, and then a big cold drum. It's quite cosy, it's like a little sauna.
Oh, I feel so much better, honestly.
I'll tell me the wash, innit?
Yeah.
This is where we found ourselves this morning. This is where we've woken up. Just in the middle of, well, nowhere really. Really crazy though. It's so mad how people live over the other side of the world, you know?
Okay, so today we're going to try and get to the border of Kyrgyzstan? Is that how you say it? What? How do you say the next country? Kyrgyzstan. So we got to go up 600 meters and then back down, then back to normal level, because everybody's feeling it this morning. Jess is feeling a bit sick. I put my shoes on earlier and he passed out. It's weird, you can't explain it. It's like my heart was pumping all night because your body's just trying to find the oxygen. It's like trying to sleep after having 4 coffees. But the reason we didn't want to do this is because of the altitude sickness, but I think we've done it right, haven't we? Yeah, but you're supposed to do it gradually. You're supposed to go up like 1,000 meters, then another 1,000, but we literally went 4,000 and then slept at like 3,800.
That's what you do on the rally though, innit?
Just Team Chocolate Teapot, that's what we call ourselves.
Yeah, that's us.
So got my Asian breakfast, noodles in a cup this morning. And yeah.
How many miles have we got?
I think it's 200k, and the roads are meant to be absolutely shit, which is annoying. But the scenes make up for it though.
Yeah, we're not just doing this for the fun of it, Because although it is fun and stuff, my hair matted yesterday and that's not fun. We're doing this for some brilliant charities, which are big moves at Click Sergeant. So if you want to know more about them, I've put a link down below so you can read their stories. And also if you want to donate, just like a £5 or something, you know, because we are on a big mad mission to raise money for these guys. So every little helps.
Tajikistan, baby. 4,500 meters. Fast food, baby. Not so fast though.
Okay, so we saw something on the side of the road that said hotel fast food.
Turns out that it's like a yurt. It says yurt fast food. I want to have a look. Where's the opening to this?
Down the front there.
Will they let us in, do you think? Because I haven't seen a yurt yet. Can I look inside? Hello! Huh? What is it? Chai? Tea? To drink? There's nothing in there. I thought there'd be beds and stuff. How are you doing, Puddin'? Hello! You're the cutest little thing.
This is us just driving down this road in Tajikistan, and over there, that is China. How mad is that?
So we've stopped on the side of the road once again. Aiden's eating his cold pasta, he's dropped it down himself. And we stopped off because of this. It is the most incredible colour I've ever seen. Like, even like the Philippines and New Zealand and stuff, like this is next level blue.
It's freezing, we've all got jumpers on now. The sun's really warm, it's the weirdest thing. I think this is salt.
I wanted it to be snow, but Will was like, super salt.
And we're heading down, we're gonna get a team photo next to the lake. And I think Will's gonna go in, but it's gonna be Baltic, mate.
Always up for a little adventure, ain't you, Will Webb? You're mad, oh, he's mad! Oh my goodness! Look at the snow on the mountains behind you! You mad man!
As you can see, the drone still isn't happy because we're really high on the mountain.
If we are not as dirty enough
Socks.
on this trip.
Is it all up my arse?
Oh, look at us all! We're such tramps, aren't we?
I just got clean this morning.
Magic little spot, this is so cool. So high up, and there's just a super blue lake on the top. Snow-capped mountains all around. It's a bit of a mission to get to though. We're trying to get back now. Everyone's already back at the car, waiting for us. We're trying to navigate through all this. What you got for lunch?
Olives, 10 off. Olive you.
Cheers. What you got for lunch?
To the fish.
Fish?
Yeah, to the fish.
No bread?
No bread.
No bread,
I'm
just
off
fish.
bread. I told him off bread.
He's off bread, that's right.
I'm on a diet like a rider. Got that cat,
He's travelling across the world, isn't he, to see his love?
Oh, you gotta do what you gotta do, haven't you guys?
This one, she's waiting for her love.
He's chasing me.
So much drama on this trip.
He's chasing me saying, no thanks.
I got one by you. This little spruit. So we just got to the Tajikistan border, an absolute bunch of squirrels here.
Oh, yeah, it's a bit, I don't feel safe at all.
Yeah, they're like punishment because we didn't have a slip that they just invented.
Yeah, so when we got there, they were like, you need to have this piece of paper, and I looked all the way through, and I would have known, because it was quite colourful, I would have known if they gave us one on the exit border from Uzbekistan, and they never, and Ollie didn't have it either. So we were like, they didn't give us one, and he was like, you have to pay, you have to pay. We were like, nah, I don't think so.
No, we don't, mate. See you later.
So one of the Mongol Ralliers was like, if you just mention the embassy and just say, okay, I'll ring the embassy to check, they usually go, okay, don't worry, and that's what they did. They were like, okay, just leave.
Really weird.
So
he was
yeah,
like cooking his dinner whilst he was filling out our form.
it's
like
really
on this little
strange.
gas
And there's
stove.
like, what are they, like goats' heads with their horns and stuff, like obviously they're all bones. It's like the strangest thing. There's rubbish everywhere. Just
like a
doesn't
Mad
look,
Max scene.
yeah, it doesn't look like a proper border. But we're through so far, up into the next station, and let's see what they've got for us.
Okay, so we drove through like this mental little no man's land section, and we've made it to the border of Kyrgyzstan. I think that's how you say it.
Look what Jess is making. You never guessed.
Noodles? Noodles again.
Fucking guess.
We're gonna turn into noodles. We've eaten so many noodles in the last. We had noodles for breakfast. Yeah, we're waiting at the border. The boys have had a nightmare. They've got like their fuel tanks leaking. So we need to get to a garage because I think our back shock's gone again as well. Well, yeah, everyone's feeling a bit agitated today. The car is stinking, there's dust everywhere, keep losing everything. It's just one of those days, but we're going to make our way to a place called Osh, hopefully, if it goes to plan, but the roads are shite here. So it's going to be a mission. But this is our little camping setup. It's freezing here, isn't it? What are you doing with that?
Turn it over your leg. Go on, like a sausage.
So we turned up to the border and there was literally about 36 motorbikes trying to get through at the same time. There was one guy on the desk processing everybody's applications and he typed like my nan. So we were waiting there for about 4 hours. We're through the border and now we're going to try and drive to Osh, which is about 6 hours away.
I'm still driving.
Do you want to drive, Jess?
Yeah, no, I feel fine, mate. Yeah,
Sure,
yeah,
no?
I'm only joking.
Well, you shout.
Only winding up Craig because he's a fanny.
Coming out with the ziggers today, isn't it?
Fucking coming at you today.
Some of
ain't
us
she?
do full days.
Yeah, look, they're the first yaks we've seen on the trip. Where are we? Kyrgyzstan. No, they're amazing. I hope one day I'll meet one of them in the flesh and shake their hand. Let's get to Osh.
Next time on Kinging It.
Look who's back!
Yay!
There's literally no oil in it. There's like a huge barrier and there's a bunch of army guys here and they want our passport.
You've got the lurgy.
About an hour in and we've just been pulled over by the police. Alright, we've made it to Kazakhstan.
Should we start this vlog then, Craig, or what?